Hey there, YouTube family, and a special welcome to my subscribers. If you're new to my channel, thanks for checking me out. I'm a registered dietitian who specializes in weight loss, but I'm probably a little different than what you expect. Most dietitians are going to focus on what to eat, when to eat, and how much to eat. But where I differ is my work focuses on why you eat, and then we talk about the what, when, and the how much. Like in today's video, we're going to discuss 3 common mommy wounds from childhood and talk about how those may affect how you eat as an adult today. So let's get started. So there are a lot of mommy wounds that I could talk about, but today I've selected just 3. First one is having a mother who is always on a diet. Maybe she had a lot of negative self-talk. She was constantly judging her appearance and talking about her weight, gaining weight, losing weight. You saw her maybe skipping meals or not eating, weighing herself a lot, and using phrases like, "I can't eat that, I'm dieting this week." So you likely even heard this mom talk poorly about other people and judge other people who were overweight. This mom maybe didn't say anything to you about your weight or what you were eating, and you may or may not have been overweight. But this kind of mom can wound you even without saying anything about you or to you. The message that some people, some kids get from having a mom like this translates into what people think about me is very important. People will judge me based on my appearance. So I better pay real close attention to how I look. If I want a guy to like me or a man to like me, I need to be pretty, and pretty means I have to be thin. How about if mom thinks being fat is bad, what is she going to think about me if I ever become overweight? Or I need to be thin in order to have my mom's approval, which also can mean I think her love is conditional. If I'm fat, I'm worried she won't love me as much. Any of these sound familiar? When these little girls grow up, they become women who are hyper-focused on their appearance. They may weigh themselves every single day. They focus on the number on the scale. They may be restricting or yo-yo dieting in very unhealthy ways. But as long as that number on the scale doesn't go past a certain number, they are good. This habit of focusing on the scale can result in binge eating, rewarding yourself with food, and certainly body image issues. This woman may feel like a failure and feel unlovable if she gains weight, maybe after a pregnancy. Her self-confidence ebbs and flows depending on her weight. Now, I want to say that it's not every little girl who had a mom who was a frequent dieter that suffers these consequences as an adult. But I certainly do believe that it puts little girls at higher risk for these beliefs and these behaviors as they grow up. I always do a deep dive into childhood with my clients. And the mommy wound, this mommy wound, is a pervasive one. So that's why I wanted to mention it. Moving on to the second mommy wound, which is also common, is having a mother who rewarded you with unhealthy food or gave you a food treat to make you feel better, often when you were down. Feeling sad or upset, or maybe unsure of yourself. It's normal and it's healthy. If your parent was constantly telling you, eat this, don't feel down, and it was used to avoid these feelings, then you've likely developed a habit that you carry with you to this day. And most people don't even realize it. It looks something like this. The thoughts are, I deserve to eat this because I finished cleaning the house. I feel a little down after that phone conversation. A treat, yeah, maybe some candy would make me feel better. So if this is you, actually have some good news. If your habit is eating to reward yourself or eating to comfort yourself or to pick up your mood, make yourself feel better, then these are some of the easiest habits to fix. I even did a video on rewarding yourself with food, and I'm going to link it in the description and on the screen. So check out that video if you want to break that bad habit. Before we move on to the third and final mommy wound, I'm going to ask you a question. If you are still watching, will you do me a favor and take a few seconds, hit the like button on the screen, and even a comment? It's a simple way that you can show your support of my channel and of my message. And believe me, it is greatly appreciated because a girl works hard over here. Okay, continuing on to the third and the last mommy wound, which is flat out being told you're too fat, you're too chubby, you're getting big, being told you need to lose weight. I have one client who was actually given a bathroom scale for her 12th birthday. That story broke my heart. I have several clients and past clients who started Weight Watchers as soon as they met the age limitation their mothers would take them. But some parents are more subtle. They will make comments like, "Are you sure you should be eating that?" Or, "Your older brother eats less than you do." So these non-direct messages that many children receive, they think this means I'm not acceptable, or my mom's embarrassed by me. I have to be perfect, or she won't love me, or to please my parents, I have to lose weight. These messages, it's confusing for children. Children have not yet learned about what a calorie is, how to lose weight and gain weight, what causes that, hunger cues, healthy foods versus unhealthy foods. I mean, we don't come out of the womb knowing that French fries are unhealthy. Think about it. Losing weight is hard enough as an educated adult. How are you supposed to know how to lose weight at age 11 when mom says something like, "You sure are getting chubby"? So if you identify with any of these mommy wounds, don't despair. In fact, I hope this video gives you some hope and some encouragement. For many, losing weight is a complicated journey. It starts by looking back at your childhood and really understanding how you got to where you are. Where did this relationship go awry with food? Where did this disordered eating begin, and why? And what did I learn in childhood that I continue with today? Does this serve me, or is it something I need to let go? Every day I work with clients on these exact issues with our goal is to find peace with food and peace with their body. Life is hard. I believe that food should be easy. So if you are interested in working with me, I'm going to drop a link to my website below in the description, and I'm also going to put it here across the screen. You can also check out more of my YouTube videos if you want to learn more about me, or you can reach out directly to me and we can set up a time to chat. I'll tell you about my programs and how I work with people. So until next time, thanks for watching and take care.